Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark multiple chats as unread on WhatsApp web on your PC with the new update. Follow these simple steps to easily manage your chats. First, open web, whatsapp.com on your browser. Log in with your WhatsApp account to access your chats. Next, click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Select Chats from the drop-down menu to view all your conversations. Now, choose the chats you want to mark as unread by clicking on them. You can select multiple chats at once to mark them all as unread. After selecting the chats, click on the three dots again to open the options menu. Then, click on Mark as Unread to change the status of the selected chats. And that's it. You've successfully marked multiple chats as unread on WhatsApp web. This feature is a great way to prioritize important conversations and keep track of unread messages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Happy chatting on WhatsApp web.